Motivated every day. Happy, superb Saturday, champion. Every great system requires maintenance cycles built into its architecture, not as an afterthought, not as a concession to limitation, as a core feature family. The Formula One teams, they schedule maintenance into the race calendar. Aircraft, they have mandatory rest periods between flights. The systems that perform at the highest level for the longest time are the ones that have rest designed in, champions, not bolted on when something breaks. The human body is the most adaptable, most sophisticated self-repairing system ever built. But self-repair only happens when you stop driving the system long enough for it to execute its biological maintenance functions. Cellular autophagy, it is actually the cleanup process that removes damaged proteins and organelles. And so you have muscle protein synthesis, neurobiological consolidation of everything you learned this week, DNA repair, all of that. These are not passive processes, family. They are active biological manufacturing, and it requires the body's rest states in order for it to run. So rest is not the absence of productivity, champions. Rest is actually production. In tonight's herb, we'll honor that at the deepest level. SHOU WU, translated as a black characteristic, named for a legendary man in Chinese history who at 58 years old consumed this root daily, and reportedly he restored his prematurely white hair to black. And he went on to live past 130 years of age and maintained his vitality and energy into his old age. And the legend itself is extraordinary, family. Yes, indeed. And then there is the research, which is compelling on its own. SHOU WU contains THSG, which is a stilbene glycoside, which has demonstrated the ability to extend lifespan in C. elegans model organisms. It's activated telomerase so that you can have a telomere length maintenance going on. It reduces lipid peroxidation, which is a primary cellular aging factor. That's how we're able to look and see how quickly you're aging. It reduces the lipid peroxidation, and it enhances endogenous antioxidant enzyme activity, including superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. The research that's been published in Cell Metabolism identified HMO compounds as they activate VEGF signaling in its hair follicle maintenance. This is in the hair follicle stem cells that it actually reacts with by stimulating follicle regeneration and providing the first molecular basis for this herb's use in hair restoration. Consistently taking herbal formulations has increased my hair growth to the point where I have to cut my hair every day. And of this recording right now, I have not cut my hair in 3 days. Normally it's bald and it's overgrown. I gotta cut it when I finish making this video. In other words, it's good stuff. And in traditional Chinese medicine, SHOU WU is the primary herb for tonifying the kidney system, which governs your Jing. And that's your deep vital essence, the fundamental bank of biological capital from which all of your other vitality draws. So when your Jing is strong, you age slowly. When it's depleted, you age fast. Tonight, we replenish it. Now, some of you have been treating your body like a machine to be pushed to its maximum output until it demands attention through breakdown or illness. Then you pay attention. But tonight, we practice something very different. Tonight, we tend the system of success with the same intentionality that we brought to every other day this week. We pour in what the week has taken out. We restore ourselves at the root, brothers and sisters, not just the surface. So brew your SHOU WU in its prepared form. Always use the prepared form, never the raw form. Dim the lights by 8, no screen after 9 p.m., warm bath if you can, and in bed before 10. And tell yourself before you close your eyes, I am restoring the system that makes everything possible. I'm building my quality of life. Alignment is the key. Motivation is the motion. The premium lifestyle is the result. Sleep like the investment that you are. Stay motivated every day. Us.